Hey friends, this is Kacey and Reynolds, Nashville, Tennessee longevity and health coach, and tonight I'm going to show you how to be healthier, how to eat right, how to boost your immunity system. And this is one of my most amazing recipes. I am a single mom and would feed my boys this. And I would have to say that they are the most amazing children ever. Of course, we all think that, but they really truly are. It is low calorie and it's high fiber and high protein, especially when you add the Greek yogurt. So this is my bean dip. Love it. So just click on the link for how to make the bean dip. So what I'm going to show you tonight, but before I show you, if you could hit subscribe, I would love you guys so much, because guess what? I am doing all of these recipes to help you be a healthier, better person, because we know in this time of COVID and all the situations that are going on in the world, we all need to be our healthiest and best as we face whatever's going on. So we are going to take Poblano peppers. So if you're not familiar, this is keto Mediterranean. So we're going to use peppers, and I do not like my food super hot and spicy because I just don't like it. Spicy, but not that spicy. Anywho, so you're just going to slice them in half, of course, after you wash and dry them, and then just kind of scoop out the peppers. So just take a spoon and just kind of scoop the peppers out. It's pretty easy. Just hit them like that. Now I'm just going to put the peppers on a tray. Just kind of get them on there, right? I do have a lot of seeds. So I've already washed and dried these peppers. I'm going to keep cutting and putting the peppers on the tray. And then I'm going to brush them with olive oil. I'm going to try to kind of spread them out a little bit. Put them in the oven at 400 degrees. And just bake them till they're just kind of golden. Now you may ask yourself, are Poblano peppers hot? No, they're not hot. Please, please, please do not confuse them with jalapenos or serrano peppers, because those are very hot. That's kind of my favorites for Poblano. Another amazing recipe, it's actually from the Chattanooga area, is you could take these bad boys after you have blackened them in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and just top them with roasted chicken. The only reason I put them up there, so I'm just going to take my olive oil, doesn't really matter how much you put on them, and just kind of brush them, just inside and out. You don't have to season them because we're going to put the ingredients on in just a minute. So I'm going to come back in a minute and show you how we're going to make them the most amazing, delicious appetizer or side dish or for your quiz workout. You have to guys. So I am back. So I put this Poblano peppers. Of course, you want to use an oven mitt in the oven at 400 degrees. I did the olive oil on top of them for about 20 minutes. Of course, all these recipes are on kaceysketo.com. So if you need any of them, just want to see them on your phone, please click on that link below. So they're amazing, delicious. Now the nice thing about these puppies is not only do they prevent cancer and they're very antioxidant, which we do love all those characteristics, but they have no calories. So I kind of also love that. So those are just amazing qualities that these peppers have. So the bean dip, which is on that link below, yes, I'm just going to go ahead and put that little bean dip in there. And remember, we already talked about how you could do this with the roasted chicken, if you could find any chicken, but I've been able to find any lately, so just, that's another option. That's actually where the original recipe came from. But we're just improvising, right? It's just that age where we just have to improvise because we just really don't always know what life is going to bring at us. So I'm just putting this yum delish bean dip in that. Oh my god, it's just looking so yummy already. Another thing I love about these little puppies is that you could, like when I go do my bodybuilding at the gym, you can eat these either post-workout, like after your workout, or pre-workout. That's just totally amazing. You eat them for lunch, you can eat them for dinner, just whenever you want to eat them. That's why they're so amazing, because like each little one is its own little meal too. And then you can put like some tomatoes, black olives, cilantro, Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt is going to add a little bit more protein, about 10 more grams of protein, which is what I'm always looking for. And if you want to top them with a little bit more cheese, because I love cheese, just a little bit more cheese on them. Put them back in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 more minutes, right? Not that long. And like each little one is maybe 140 calories, and it's gonna be about 20 grams of protein. If you're a bodybuilder like me, that's just amazing statistics, but by that is they taste absolutely and super yum. Alrighty, thank you guys, love you. Hope you love this recipe. Click subscribe to get some more recipes and that notification bell.